This is the model I showed you today. It's a shirt that I'm going to put buttons on here. She is a boat. And the hand is the arm, and the shirt has no side. For this dress, I will wear it with fabric. Lemon. And you can apply this style of pants. Wear with wide pants. These wide pants. I'll take a look at the recipe. When I gave instructions, then you just need cut along this line in front of the body. Just press the button. This dress is new, so I recommend it. This shirt. I'll fold in two. The paper is like folding the cloth in half. And this is the model that I'm going to use. You need to measure shoulders, neck, chest, waist, and waist length. You will take the length of it as 60. I built a perpendicular line through. Then take it shoulder to shoulder. Divided by 2 is equal to 32. Divide 2 is equal to 16. When you get to her, you divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I took 16 one way. And she divides 5 by 6, and then we get down to 4. I connected across. You're going to take the lower chest and divide it by 5. I added 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took down the lower part of my chest, which is 18. Make a perpendicular line. Then I took the chest. Divide by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Across a 22nd street. Later, I'll take the lower part. The waist is equal to 35 by the measure. And I take it across the waist. Divide 4 by 1. 64 divided by 4 plus 1. Then it will be equal to 17. I passed by 17. Then the s. But divided by 4 what plus 1? 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. It's 21. We're going to draw the hybrid. I built a perpendicular line and to petrol. Then you'll cut off the armpit. And this collar, it's going to be a boat collar. From here, ladies, from the outside of your neck back into the year of gasoline. Taking the neck down a line is 7. I built a perpendicular line. I can draw the collar here. After I design the body first. Continue for the back. From here onto petrol. Out without 7. Reduce the chest, 1 for the back. And the butt is 1 for the back. My chest is down and my ass is down. And we're going to paint the old part. back down for petrol. And after I did, I've been like this, and now I'm going to keep cutting. Then this pattern has no seams. You have to cut the seams. Then you will cut the back half first. I'm going to cut this part in half. Next time you paint. On paper, I just need to cut one body. But this is because of you. Use the rest of the towel. Put it in here so I can do the towel first. I cut it in half. And then we'll get the back towel. Then the towels here will be reduced, for the chest is 1 millimeter of gasoline. Here we'll get the next towel. What are you going to do next for A? Double wax fabric. And now we're going to do it. For the first towel. If you do this, you will cut it. Neck down here. Hey! In the blue line is the chest. Then you'll cut back on this plate. And then we cut back on the body first. I expanded it. Here's the previous part. Before that, you will have to bodies. Half of the time, you'll push the button. Let me take a look at the button pattern on the side. Or a button. Over the head and shoulders. This hair is going to be on the neck right here. Then we'll make a path along. And after that you've drawn a vertical line. Then you leave yourself a paragraph. 5 more petrol. I cut this part out. After you cut this out, I will. Here's a gasoline. Then you guys put this in. So that's the part where we're going to put it. Then this version of it is to petrol. You will get this road. and the rest of the body is symmetrical. In order to symmetry, here's the demagogue. It's going to be in the middle of the old point, between ancient points, and if you cut through this section, we will get it. The button row is here. Do you want to make a real button or a fake button? Whatever you want, put the button here. Is that we're going to get a shirt that looks like the picture? The body part, you have to cut to bodies. After we've done the front and the back, then I'll measure for the part. Armpit ring on body. Over here, I measured 19. My mother measured 20. Let me measure this to see if it's wrong. 2 for the whole family. Then, if you measure it like this, you will continue. Draw yourself the sleeve. If you wear these sleeves, you will do the following. I'm going to measure from up here with a segment of the chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5, I will be 13. You will measure from top to bottom 13. By this number. And then we're going to put a perpendicular line across it. You'll take 2 of them as armpit lines. The body behind me can measure for 19 is the front armpit line. It's equal to 40 divided by 2. 20. And then we're going to take 20 as the end point. We put it at the head of this corner. Then the score is 0. We put a straight line up. Split in 2. I'm going to circle down 1 gas and up here too. This hand will be wide, so you're going to stretch this arm. The length of my hand is 27. 27. I'm going to get a gas. And here you've reduced me to 1. Then we'll get the shirt. I cut my head round. Then you'll see the sleeve in the picture. First, you will put down some fuel. Leave. So here's all the details. This dress is for me to share today. Together with the sisters. Body in front of the body behind the sleeve. If I have something I don't know, please comment below. I'll see the comments and respond to you. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.